Today we're talking about a wig wardrobe, our wardrobe. And so I wanted to wear something, as you can see, that's autumn. And by the way, welcome to my living room. And we've got Miss Lily, my sweet dog, sitting on the back of the couch, ever watching for Dad to come home. So, but here I am wearing, this is from Envy, and this is rose and lighter red. Would you check that out? And when I'm talking about your wig wardrobe, that means like when I decided today, this is what I wanted to wear, then I went to my wig wardrobe and I pulled out, this is a cute one, and this is from Storyville, and I have these already reviewed in a previous video. Storyville from Ellen Villa. Here is Raquel Welch. This would have been a good choice too, but you've seen, I've done her many times, this Raquel Welch, big time. Rusty Auburn. And then All Too Well, and I will do another wig review on this because I haven't really done this one justice of giving it a good wig review, but you can see here another fabulous red, and this is really beautiful. This is a Gabor, so 3 different wigs here. This today is, I wanted to showcase this. This is Envy, and it is synthetic. It has a full mono hand-tied top. Right there, full mono. So no permatease up here, ladies. The tiniest permatease on the sides, but look, you can get it so flat and make it look very low density because it's this much. And that's because you want to cover the wefting so you can't see if the hair blows up with the winds. So you can see here, great ear tuck. It's really a nice density. It's an average cap. And the adjusters, you just pull it and stretch it and it tightens up. And you can see it's just got great dimension. It has lots of layers and it just has the sweetest, nicest little flip. And see how in my wardrobe, you've seen me sometimes, I'm wearing brights and cool colors, whites and blondes. And I'll tend to wear a pink lipstick. So you can see here today when I want to wear autumn colors, then I will put on a warm color like this, a warm top. This is a great autumn plaid, and then pull out the warm makeup. That's going to blend it together. So I feel like I don't have to stay pigeonholed into one color. I love Viva la Différence, and I love to be able to wear whatever color I want to wear. So I just change my makeup with the outfit, and I change my hair, a new wig. I go to my wig wardrobe and pull it out. Look at this. This has the cutest layers. I'm gonna try to turn around. And I have some good daylight coming in here, so I was hoping that you could probably see all of these dimensions in here. Just really gorgeous. Now, if it is shiny, and when you get a new wig, it's gonna look shiny after you've washed it, after you've applied some product, after a little bit of wear and movement and touching all of these fibers. See, and you can even juice this up and get a lot of volume. If you want volume, to my volume ladies, you're going to be able to get this to really get some height on it. Oh, look at that dimension. Is that not gorgeous? Remember, I love this. It's very flattering to thin out the face. I love all of this. Just a beautiful wig. Now, if you want to knock the shine off, I use a brunette. This is for brunettes. Dry shampoo. And that's going to take some of that shine down. See? Not as shiny, right? So it's a great thing to use. I don't want to get it all over my leather couch. But this is a great product for knocking down the shine on a brunette because it's made for brunettes. So I really like that. But you can see here, you can get a lot of volume. You're going to be able to part this down the middle or to the side because of that mono hand-tied top. The lace front is from temple to temple, so take a look at that lace front. And I do like it when it has a little bit lighter at the front. And you know, reason why I like that is because Otherwise, you see some really dark roots, and you may not want to see dark roots. This is synthetic, so it's not going to have bleached roots. So they'll put some of that the lightest color they can around the face, so you don't see the knots when it's hand tied. But check it out. This is Envy from Rose. I think she's a great addition to a wig wardrobe for your wardrobe. So as you go to your closet to decide what shoes, what dress, what top, what's the function, what's your mood today, then think about that and just go to your wig wardrobe and take it into your closet, match it up. You may even, when you're going to buy makeup to match your wig, take your wig with you, wear it to the, go to the cosmetics and be wearing it so that you can match your makeup to it, or just carry it in a nice satin bag or something, pull it out and match up a good lipstick or blush or eyeshadow that's really going to pull those colors out to match your wig well. So these are some of my tips about what to do with your reds and your wardrobes for fall, and I will do another review on that wig that I just held up a minute ago. I will be doing a full review of that one, and be sure and look out for that. And all of my other tips and tricks, be sure and subscribe and like and get the notification, so when I'm doing a new video that you'll be able to be a part of that too. So welcome to my home today, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.